you and Nestor. That was everyone. No, it wasn't me or you. Oh.
No, I got you though, Abraham. Yeah. Remember when you were still learning?
I remember. Oh, never mind. You weren't there.
That was you and Nestor. Keep back each other. I just kicked you over.
Papa! I'm an emo kid, non-conforming as can be. Okay.
Shut up. Abraham, do you live in a cave? Yeah, I'm here wrong.
Abraham, do they sound like you?
Say hello,
Oh my god, I keep
Sergio. Sergio. Look at the camera. Danny, look at the camera. Say hello. Say hello.
Oh, wrong way.
Abraham. Oh my God. Fuck you too. Wait, I go like this.
Did you sneak into the movie?
Not really.
Do they sell candy?
You guys can't make any more yes, your father, who's eating a taco.
Your friend's grandma who can't stop pushing.